just in time. Katie, would you like to help me open my Stitch Fix? Still debating. Anyways, hi guys, it's me. I'm back, and I'm back here with my second Stitch Fix. If you guys heard that conversation with my cat, don't judge me. Still have my Christmas tree up. It's been busy. Oh, hi. Sorry. Kitty needs attention. She's just as much a part of this channel as I am and you guys are. Anyways, so let's go ahead and dig on in. I did go ahead and pre-cut the box just to make our lives a little easier, but let's see what's inside. So for those of you who aren't aware, Stitch Fix is a clothing subscription service. You pay a styling fee, they send you 5 items, and if you keep them all, you get a 20% discount. If you only decide to keep some of them, that's okay, because they also send you back with a prepaid mailer. What you guys can't see is Sophie is pawing at me for attention, because she doesn't get enough attention. I'm a bad cat mom. I don't pay enough attention to her. It doesn't matter that I spent all day literally loving on this cat. Anyways, back to the box. So they send you with a prepaid mailer to return anything you don't like. And you actually do get styled by a stylist. So you do fill out a whole questionnaire about what you like and what you don't like, what works for you, what doesn't work for you. And yeah, so let's go ahead and look at the note I got this month. Now, when I did send a message to my stylist, and I said something along the lines of like, you know, I'm still looking for sweaters, it's winter, but Valentine's Day is coming up, so if there's anything kind of fun or special for Valentine's Day that's within my price range, go ahead and throw it in. I didn't give her any like super specific guidelines. I just kind of wanted to see what would happen. And I also said surprise me as far as whether or not I got the same stylist, a different stylist. So let's go ahead and see what's going on. So they send you with this little card that has all of the pieces they sent in here with a note from your stylist. And it'll show you how they suggest that you pair all the pieces. So let's see what my stylist said. So it says, hello Amanda, happy fix day. I was so excited to see that your last fix was a hit. I've carefully reviewed all of your latest notes and I found you some beautiful new pieces this month as well. I focused this fix on some cozy winter ready pieces as well as some standout Valentine's Day pieces. The Stitches and Stripes Tandy Stripe Sweater has a super versatile mid-weight and such a super cozy feel. Try wearing it with the STS Blue Neve Distressed Skinnies, your favorite booties, and a slim photo jacket for a flawless daytime look, even on the chilliest winter days. I can't wait to hear how you like everything. All the best, Jillian. So I do believe Jillian was my stylist last time. And here is the little invoice or pricing guide. Okay, so if I decide to keep everything, oh, it's actually 25% discount if you decide to keep everything. So if I keep everything, it'll be a total of $190.75. So let's dig on in here, see how I feel about everything. Okay. I would show you the bundle, but it's a little large. Oh, I'm liking this color of this first thing I see. So this is a top. It's almost like, it's somewhere between like an emerald green and a teal. And it looks like it is by Fortune and Ivy, the Chia Laced Scallop Halter Blouse. Oh, it says it's in a teal green, so that's exciting. This is really pretty. Oh, I'm excited about this. I'll have to see how that wears when I try it on. Up next, what is this? Oh, is this like a maxi dress? Maybe I should just look at the thing. I didn't look very closely at this card. It's a jumpsuit. Oh my Lanta, I don't think I've ever worn a jumpsuit before. Okay. I'm gonna keep an open mind. I feel like this could go 2 ways. It could be super flattering and I'll love it, or I'll hate it. So there's one way to find out, and we'll find that out during try on. Okay, sorry, we had some technical difficulties. We last left off on the jumpsuit, and the next item is a dress by the brand 9 Britain. It is black. It looks like it is about knee length. It has this beautiful scallop trim up top. I am a little concerned it could turn to fraying. That's the phrase. It could fray. That's what I'm trying to say. But we'll go ahead and try this on. This would be a super cute either date night outfit, or I could even see myself wearing it for a formal night on a cruise or at a cocktail party. The next item is the pair of pants that Jillian mentioned in the note from my stylist. So these are the brand STS Blue. They're Stitch Fix exclusive. A little note. Oh, the note is just saying the Diamond transfer. So these are like, I think they said these were a gray. What did they say? Oh, it says they're indigo, but they're really, I feel like they look more like blue. There is a little distressing on the knee, and it is rough cut, I guess you could say down here, like that could turn to fraying, but I feel like that's kind of the style right now. So we'll go ahead and have to try these bad boys on as well. And then the last item is a sweater. Okay, it does kind of feel like it might be a itchy sweater, so I don't know. It is from the brand Stitches and Stripes. Feel about this, and I feel like my camera might not be doing the colors justice. I do feel like, the sleeves are kind of fun looking. They're a little poofy. This does remind me of something my mama might wear. So I might have to give Jillian some more feedback as far as what kind of sweaters I'm looking for. I'm gonna go ahead and start trying this on, and I'll see you back in a second. Okay, so this is the sweater she sent me paired with the jeans she sent me. Probably walk up here so you guys can see the bottom of these jeans. So the sweater, I don't hate, I just don't love it either. It actually kind of reminds me a little bit like what's in style right now? It's like, what is it, the Visco Girl? Kind of how like the 90s trends are coming back into style. I actually really love the sleeves, the feel of the sleeves. And I actually don't hate how this wears. I'm just not a big fan of the color scheme. So I'll probably end up sending this one back. As far as the pants go, I think I'm really just gonna have to see how they pair with some booties, which I'll try that on next when I try on the next top, see exactly how that pairs. I don't hate them, I love them, but I also have a pair of pants that are very similar to this that actually got at Costco. So again, I don't want to keep anything that I don't absolutely love, especially at these price points. So let's go ahead and try on some other things and see how I feel about them. Okay, so I know this jacket did not come in the box. It was something I wanted to try with the pants because that's what Jillian recommended, was pairing the pants with a moto jacket and some booties. I don't actually have a moto jacket. This is the closest thing I have to one of those, so maybe that's something I can suggest for a future box. I'll give you the full look here in a second. And these are actually the only booties I have. The pants do work well with the booties, I'm not gonna lie. It is a good look. That is something she did get on point there. However, I'm still just not loving the pants. I don't know why. Maybe it's because I already have something very similar. Now as for the top, this is the teal green top that I really love. I still really love the color. I love the design of it. It just doesn't fit right up in these proportions right here. And it wears like kind of on my armpits. I'm not super happy about that. Something that I have an issue with these types of tops is that they restrict a lot of things up here. So this one's almost a little too small. This is something I may consider sizing up and seeing if I can get a slightly bigger size in my next Stitch Fix, because I actually really do like this top. So this is something I'm gonna have to think about. Okay, so this is the dress. I really love it. A I'll go ahead and give you guys a little spin here in a minute. I did pair it with a pair of heels to kind of make sure I got the full effect of the dress. I will say I love the length about it. It's very flattering. And I do really like this scallop fringe at the top. I think it makes it look really classy. And the fact that it kind of like squeezes all my shoulder muscles slash fat together is also very flattering. But I already own a dress very similar to this. If you guys have watched my Nadine West videos, you'll know that I've actually been a Nadine West subscriber for about 5 years. And I basically own this exact same dress from Nadine West. The only difference is the top is different. It's just a much classier looking dress. And I will say the fabric is a little different. That dress is more cotton. This dress is a little bit more polyester. But yeah, it's basically the same dress, except I paid probably somewhere between $20 and $30 for it. And this dress, it looks like, is $58. So this is probably gonna be a no, even though it is a really cute dress. And it would be kind of cool to have like 2 versions of the same dress, like a more laid back one and a more kind of like nicer one. But I will say, clearly, since I already own a dress, that Jillian was onto something. She's clearly figuring out my style, so I can't fault her on that one. Okay, let's talk about this jumpsuit. I did not think I was going to love it. I did not think I was even gonna like it. But this thing is cozy AF. Also, it has pockets. Like, look at these pockets. These are good pockets. It has a cinched waistline, so it accentuates the best part. But, and here's the thing, I'm long-waisted, and my legs are short, like to compensate for the fact that I'm long-waisted. So, what's really hard to see is there's like at least 4 inches of fabric down at the bottom, and even if I wear these with like 5-inch heels, it's still gonna be dragging a little bit. And I'm really heartbroken about this because I love this so much. So that's where we're at on that. There is the option to kind of send an item back. I think I mentioned this when we were talking about the top that I just tried on. There's an option to send back send it back for a different size. Hi, so. I'll have to see if she can get it in like a short version, if that makes sense. Because, like I said, my legs are just proportionally short in comparison to the rest of my body. And it's a real bummer. Did I mention this is really cozy? Anyways, let's go ahead and wrap this up, I guess, real quick. Hi, you wanna help me wrap it up? Meow. Meow. Okay, so let's take a look at this invoice. So the pants, those were $59. They fit really good, but they just look too much like another pair of pants I already own, so I'll probably be returning those. The sweater, I liked the shape of it. It was a little staticky, but what can you do? It's a sweater. I wasn't a huge fan of the color, so I'll probably be returning that as well. The dress I liked, but I basically already own it, so it would kind of be weird to keep that, I think. I really like the top. I'm debating whether or not I want to keep it as is or send it or ask for it in the large. And the top's actually pretty affordable. The top's only $38, so we'll see about that. And then again, this jumpsuit, I love. I would keep it if it weren't for the length. Like, I'm seriously in love with this jumpsuit, and it's just a real bummer as far as that goes. So yeah, I really hope this doesn't bum Jillian out too much, because unfortunately, like I said, I might be keeping the teal green top, but I think I might actually just send that back for a larger size. And I don't know if that would like mess up her credentials or ratings or anything. So I would hate for that to affect her, because I think she did a great job. I just have weird body sizes and proportions. So that's where we're at for this month's Stitch Fix. Thanks so much for watching. and do all the YouTube things. I'll go ahead and leave my referral code in the description for this if you guys want to try it. It will get you, I believe, $25 off, and I'll also get a little something in return, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, if you liked this, consider doing the liking and the subscribing and all that stuff. Thanks so much for watching.